Hi, this is Military Model Paul with a dedication build to Steve Mottram. Greg Riley and myself got together and it was his idea, and it was a good idea to actually do this dedication build, which I'm really pleased to do. I know Steve likes the rifle kits and he also likes the STURMTIGER, so basically us both building the same kit as a dedication to Steve is a good, really great idea, and I'm really looking forward to starting it, which will be shortly. So I would go into the basics, but I have been talking with Steve when he's in his hospital via Messenger, and we've been to and fro-ing and joking. He jokes a little bit as well, and he's actually obviously in a serious way. In fact, I had to introduce a coma into him to actually allow him to sort of get ready for an operation. Isn't it? Must be really serious, and he's just been not telling us everything. So, which I don't blame him, because we all keep our things secret, don't we? So anyway, this is a dedication build to Steve. Now, all I'm going to say to you is that this box here has been opened and the sprues have been photographed, which will be at the end of this video to show you exactly what's in the box. I will show you it's not been started. Excuse me. There it is, all in the box, bits and pieces, all in the packet. Whoops, there you go. You might need more building than normal. So I've got a bit of PE, and I've got some shackles, brass shackles for her, and I think I even found some brass Voyager viewing port, pistol ports, where they actually hang outside the so I might be using a couple of those on this vehicle as well, because it has got them. So there you go. So this is the Steve Mottram dedication build, and I know he'd like this vehicle. It's just a pretty shame, you know, just hoping that he gets through all this and gets back home shortly and starts to build his strength up. But I don't want to say any more about poor Steve, because Greg Riley's done a really great video about it, explaining the situation even more than I've just done. And so this is it. This is Greg Riley's and me dedication build to Steve Mottram. So thanks for watching, and our prayers are with Steve at the moment, and just hoping he can pull through this and get stronger and be back home again. So yes, there's not much you can say. It's so awkward, isn't it? When things like this happen, but Steve's always been, he's one of those survivors, and I'm reckoning he'd get through this as quickly as possible. So thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the build, and catch you on the next update. Thank you very much. God bless you, Steve.